Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today I'll be learning how to delete a mail in Gmail, and now let's dive right in. Now to delete a mail in Gmail, first open up the Gmail app on your phone. And after opening your Gmail app, guys, we will be on the primary mail section of our Gmail account. So you can also delete your emails from over here. So in order to delete a particular mail on the primary inbox section, tap and hold on the mail which you want to delete, and you can see, guys, the moment you tap and hold on a certain mail, the dumpster icon is available, or these icons will be available for us. Where there is the delete icon is available for us as well. Tap on delete. You can see you can do that to any mail you like. Tap and hold on the mail which you want to delete and tap on the dumpster icon, and that will be sent to the trash. And you can also do the same thing on the all mails as well, where you will be able to find all of your archived mails, and all of the mails will be over here, the important one as well. So you can delete your mails over here as well. So let's tap and hold on a mail, and the similar delete or the dumpster icon is available for us. Tap on the dumpster or the delete icon at the top of the screen, and that mail will be deleted. But guys, those mails won't be permanently deleted on Gmail. They will be available, or they will be sent to the trash can of Gmail. So in order to go to trash can or the trash of Gmail, tap on the three-lined icons at the top left corner of the screen, and over here scroll down a little bit, and you can see there's the trash option available for us just below the spam. Tap on the trash button over here, which is just below the spam, and over here all of the mails which you had deleted on Gmail will be over here on the trash. Now in order to delete them permanently, tap on the empty trash now button over here at the top of the screen, or over here where I'm tapping. Tap on empty trash now, and again tap on empty, and those mails will be deleted on Gmail permanently. And with that being said, guys, this is how to delete a mail in Gmail. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.